welcome back to my channel. Fun with Mitch here, and in today's video I will do unboxing. So this is I got this from Harvey Nichols there, as you can see, here in Hong Kong in Pacific Place. This is from Maconie. So let's open this, guys. I don't want to make it long, and let's go straight ahead to open this box. So first, I'll take the tie out, the ribbon. I'll take the ribbon out there, and then box. Wow. Yes. So there you go, guys. That's the box. Ta-da! So let's open that. Ooh, so pretty. There. Wow. So syempre, yeah, inside the box they put something like paper to like keep the sandals stay in shape, para hindi siya mag-iba yung shape. That's why it is. And oh my god, it's so lovely. It's so pretty. Ta-da! Look at that piece. Ayan. This is a real leather, and the heels, ayan, it is gold. Ayan. So this is the sandals that I got from Maconie, you guys, and my big toes in here, and then the four toes will be out here. I got the size 37. That's the size 37. This is like 70% off, 60% off. So that's the price there. And now I only got it for 1,596. So it's a big discount. But why did I buy this sandals? Because I went to Pacific Place. They have a huge sale going on there, and I will look around. I was looking for something clothes that I can wear, but I didn't see anything, so I ended up looking at the shoes area, the sandals area, and I found this one. And the first time I saw it, I just fall in love because of the black and gold combination. I like the combination of black and gold because it's so fancy. It's look very, for me, it's look glamorous, like the last time I bought bag from Coach is also a black and gold. So the first time I saw it, I just fall in love, and it's the fact that it is on sale, so I didn't think twice and I bought it. And perfect, and I'm lucky that they got my size, because they don't have like all the sizes there. I tried to buy the different sandals, but they don't have my size, and I found this, and yeah, I just love it so much, you guys. I'm so happy to purchase this sandals with a gold heels there. This is different in all my sandals collections. This is my new baby, my new collections, and I'm so happy to have this. I'm so glad that I purchased it. It's uniform with the box. It's black and gold, and the box has like gold circle there. Ayan. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm very happy that I bought these sandals. I hope you enjoy this unboxing video. If you want me to do more video like this, please comment down below. Click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this quick unboxing or haul that I did today. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.